Hello, Mr. Spratt here, and this is Cooking with COVID, the only YouTube cooking show that turns a pandemic into a can-demic. And after watching today's video, you'll be able to confidently say I can make an easy, authentic Italian pizza sauce. So let's go ahead and get started. And speaking of cans, the first thing you're going to need is a drained can of tomatoes. Any kind of tomatoes will do, crushed, diced, whole, whatever. I'm using San Marzano tomatoes from Italy, which are my favorite, but any canned tomato is going to be terrific. Next, you'll need olive oil, and finally, you'll need salt. Now, in order to make our sauce, we just need to dump our drained can of tomatoes in a container, add a splash or two of olive oil, and throw in a pinch of salt. Blend it all together using either a blender of some sort, I like these stick blenders, but a regular smoothie type works great, or you can just use your clean hands to crush and mix everything together. A lot of people like to add other seasonings like oregano, garlic, or red pepper, and that's totally fine if you want to do that. You are, after all, the boss of your sauce. But I like to keep things as simple as possible, since great Italian food is really about letting a few quality ingredients shine. Once the sauce is blended to your liking, taste it for salt levels, and add more if you need to. Mine was fortunately perfect. And believe it or not, that's it. Our easy, delicious, authentic, homemade pizza sauce is done. Put a lid on that, throw it in the fridge, and it will be ready when you need it. Next time, we'll be talking dough shaping and pizza assembly, so stay tuned. As always, post your comments and questions either here or on Canvas, and upload pictures of yourself making pizza for a little extra credit. Thanks for watching, and enjoy!